Hello guys, welcome back to a new Grill Tech video. In today's video, we are going to be seeing how to turn on dark mode inside of Google Chrome. So let's get started. What you have to do is click this icon, customize here. If you don't have that customize icon, there will be a pencil icon, or if you do not have that too, you need to click this three dot settings, or you can just type this URL. Now go to advanced, reset and clean up, restore settings to their original defaults, reset settings. Okay, now you would have got the customize icon. So let's click it. Now go to color and theme, click this, or you can just change the color here. This is the darkest black available in Chrome. Even with this, you can't make it more darker. Okay. So thank you guys for watching.